Hello everybody, today is Thursday, March 9th. It's 3:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about 15 minutes before the regular session close. You can see my time and sales here on the left. The E-mini S&P currently trading at 23.65 and a quarter. It was a modest performance day. Before I get into it, first the required disclaimer. Okay, nothing really spectacular today, but some modest performance on several charts. First up is the crude oil, which had a very sharp sell-off beginning yesterday, down almost 400 ticks. And so on the Superenco 6 tick, this is with our line break algorithm. You can see our trades here. This did 680 for the day on 2 contracts. Kind of a mixture of trades, but we had some really good trades towards the end of the session. So 680 on 2 contracts here. Okay, the crude on the 34-second line break chart was up and down and then up and finished at 460 on 2 contracts. So you can kind of see the volatility here. And if I scrunch this up, you can see that the crude has sold off just in 2 days from 54 down to 48.50 or so, where it finally found some support. So a 600 tick move in just 2 days. A modest gain in the 30-year Treasury bond, a loser and a winner, to close up just a few ticks at 281 and a quarter. Okay, we can see the sell-off from the E-mini S&P at 2400, and it seemed to find support at kind of round numbers at 2350, and it's getting a little bounce here, but this would make a channel here, and so it sold off. On this chart we had 2 losers and drew down about 500, but then made that back on the short trade to the plus side of about 250. We obviously didn't get filled on our limit fill here. Either that or our trading time is, no, we're allowed to trade until the close. We just didn't get filled here. So 250 on the E-mini S&P Superenco 8 tick. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Superenco 6 tick, and we had 2 losers to start that drew down about $300, and then we're currently long. We hit our first target, and we're still long into the close of the session here with a open P&L of 337.50. So looks like a net of about $200 or so, depending on where we close. Had a number of trades on the gold and did 580, not too much of a drawdown here. And then the E-mini S&P on a Superenco 6 tick without the line break algorithm did 475 on a single trade here. This one probably would have caught the reversal, but we stopped trading at 230. That's all for today's video. Please have a look at our website, bluewavetrading.com. If you have any questions, send me an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.